In this video, we will cover the basic operation of voice commands. For best results, close the windows and the sunroof, turn down the radio, and lower the climate control fan to minimize interior noise. By the way, there's a great help feature where you view the list of available commands in the current mode. When you're ready to give a command, briefly press the talk button on the steering wheel, then wait for the sound of the beep.
Please say a command.
Help.
Here are some available commands. Please say or select one.
Now, let's make a call.
Please say a command.
Call Lisa Smith.
Calling Lisa Smith.
You'll also notice that the little speaker icon on the screen changes from a speaker to a microphone to indicate that it's ready for your command. You will also notice 3 buttons on the left: a phone icon, a navigation icon, and a music icon. The system tells you that the Wi-Fi setting is off and provides an option to turn it on. There is also a button on the bottom for local search by Google. You will need your Wi-Fi connected to do this. Pressing the phone button gives you the option to call the last number dialed, or to call a new contact, or enter a new number manually. The navigation or compass icon gives you the option to find an address, search categories, or cancel the route. Pressing the music icon allows you to select a radio band using the touchscreen or voice commands. There is also a help and exit button on the bottom. Notice on this screen, all words that appear in a caption-style bubble indicate you can either press the touchscreen or say the word. For example, the word exit. Press the bubble or say the word exit. If the system doesn't recognize your voice command, you can always ask for help, and Yuvo will display some available voice commands. Then just say the name of the desired selection. If you would prefer to end voice recognition and resume touchscreen operation, there are several different ways to accomplish this. You can press exit at the bottom left of your screen. You can press and hold the talk button on the steering wheel. You can press the end call button on the steering wheel. Or you can say exit after the system prompt.
Please say a command.
Exit.
Exiting voice recognition.
These are just the basic operations for your Yuvo eServices voice command system. For a complete list of voice commands and much more, see the Kia feature videos online. For more information, check your car multimedia system user's manual or the quick start guide hang tag that came with your new Kia. Thanks for watching.